An Oceanside mom who plowed into a homeless man and drove for a mile with his body lodged in her passenger seat was 3 times over the legal drinking limit. That information emerging today during the start of her trial. Good evening, I'm Lindsay Pena.
And I'm Brian Shalonsky in for Steve Atkinson. This crash happened almost 2 years ago. 10 News reporter Steve Fiorina is joining us now. And Steve, the defense says she didn't commit murder.
His argument before the jury is that she was able to negotiate and drive a busy road without incident up until that point where she fell asleep. He says go ahead and convict her of some lesser charges, but not murder. Stacy Sanchez wiped tears as she listened to opening statements through headphones with a Spanish interpreter. Charged with second-degree murder for an accident in Oceanside almost 2 years ago. This is the Pontiac she was driving when she veered onto a sidewalk after a night of heavy drinking and struck a homeless man walking near a soup kitchen. The DA said she drove for 1.1 miles before stopping, with the body of Jack Tenholzen, who was thrown through the windshield into the seat next to her, his severed leg riding on the trunk lid.
If it's 35 miles an hour and she was going that, you can imagine with the hole in the windshield, with the rear window blown out, that car is in essence a wind tunnel with glass and blood and hair blowing around. And she drove. And she kept driving.
Her blood alcohol level at the time of impact was estimated at 0.22, nearly 3 times the legal limit. The defense attorney told the jury that yes, she was under the influence, and yes, she left the scene. But he argues against a murder count because she was able to drive before that and fell asleep at the wheel.
We think the evidence is going to show that she fell asleep because she was tired, because she was up all night. And if she fell asleep because she was tired and up all night, there is a piece of law that says they're not liable when you're unconscious.
Trial is expected to last for a week and a half. Sanchez, who is an undocumented immigrant, faces 15 years to life if convicted. Live in Vista, Steve Fiorina, 10 News.